Let's see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Yeah, ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra.
Yo, what is good? Yeah, let's go with this little cold start real quick. Sound is spicy. Click the little thing. There we go, and then wait for it. All right, it's good. Careful. Got a little ninja doing triple life. Yes, sir. All right, man. There we go. Ah, I did it again. Too excited to go. I'm too excited to ride. I keep forgetting my damn this neck strap. Apologize for that. Get these gauntlets on. Excuse me. All praises to the Most High. Let's go, baby. Alright, just trying to get my bearings down, my wits down. Make sure she's stopping. Can't control it. Motherfucker, and it's loaded. Oh shit. I lick it. Ride this little wave, man. I bust my ass. Using a little lever action. Let's go, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. I don't like this hoodie. I'm using like a generic hoodie today, and it's like flapping around everywhere. It's not a heavyweight hoodie. We're just chilling today, baby. Once I get the bike warmed up, we might do like a little top speed run. But we chasing sunsets behind me. Yeah, the police have been like absolute terrorists this week, bro. I don't know what's going on, but the police have been terrorists this week, bro. They've been getting everybody. So I keep watching my speed and watching my back. I want to get hemmed up. They already got hemmed up last month, man, to pay that fucking ticket. That shit was hella expensive. That was $300 I was not expecting to pay. Let's get it. Let's get it. Kind of windy today, but it's not as bad as it was the other day. The other day was crazy. Bug juice on it. He in 6th gear right now, and we just cruising, man. This bike loves to cruise. Doesn't get mad at you. It doesn't do any of that. It just cruises. It's a little more windy over here. Oh my gosh. So I do got a funny, I got a funny story. So this morning, right? This morning I woke up, I stayed up late last night because I was still studying. Damn, it's bright. I was still studying, and by the time I got to bed, it was close to 11:30. Stayed up later than normal, and I was ready to go this morning. I got up, got going. I don't have to be at school till 9 o'clock. And so I went ahead and dropped off my girls, everybody. Drove to school, bro. I wasn't late, but I could have been late. I could have been late. And I waited through like almost 30, close to like 20 something, 26 minutes of traffic before I finally got there. It's still busy. But yeah, I was in traffic for about 20 something minutes. And then eventually got to the school. And then realized I don't have my backpack. I didn't have nothing, dude. I was so mad, dude. So there's been a lot of policia around, so I'm trying to make sure I watch every car because they got some undercovers here. I go to lead. Hey, we chasing sunsets today, man. There goes the center. Yeah, San Antonio looking beautiful today, man. Oh, and that's the spot I want to go to right there. That's the spot, Sky Bar. Me and the wife need to hit there. Yeah. Let's go. This thing is slapping. I just hate how much it's slapping. Let's get some of this Jada Kiss in there, baby. I knew he was gonna do that. At least he used the signal light on the streets. Oh, whoa. What are you doing? Thought he was, ain't nobody behind us, baby. Yeah, gotta watch these NPCs out here, bro. Niggas be trying to take you out. Yeah, so anyway, I got to school. I had no backpack. No nothing, no schoolwork, no pencils, no paper, no nothing, bro. Laptop, I forgot everything at home on the stairs. Shit was crazy. Whoa, wow. That dude almost slammed into the concrete barrier.